जय जय श्यामा, जय जय श्याम, जय जय श्री वृंदावन धाम। प्यारी श्यामा, प्यारो श्याम, प्यारो श्रीवर सानो धाम। जय जय श्री राधे सभी को। वृंदावन जाते रहिए, वृंदावन की लता पताओं की सेवा करते रहिए, वृंदावन की रज माथे पे लगाते रहिए और राधा नाम रटते रहिए। बहुत कृपा बरस रही है वृंदावन धाम में। जय जय श्री राधे। Welcome to Krishna Bhakti Ras 79. So today I'll share with you a story of Srinath Ji, the sweet Lord of Govardhan. Srinath Ji is a self-manifested Vigraha and was manifested at the time of Sri Vallabhacharya and continued by his son Sri Vithalnath. And seva of Srinath Ji would be given only to descendants of Sri Vallabhacharya and Sri Vithalnath Ji. But there was a devotee called Krishna Das. And when Vithalnath Ji saw the dedication and the love of Krishna Das, he also said, "You can take seva, I will give you seva," although he was not a descendant. So Krishna Das was very happy. And Vallabhacharya gave him the name Krishna Das Adhikari. Why Adhikari? Because he was not a descendant, but he got the adhikar of doing seva. And he worked hard. The main seva he used to do was taking care of accounts and things like that. But daily, every morning, he would go to the Yamuna, which was 12 miles away, and fill a pot of water for Srinath Ji and walk back 12 miles. 24 miles a day he would walk. He would wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, go Yamuna, come back, and after that sit down, check the accounts and everything. At that time, Surdas Ji was also there. We have all heard of Surdas Ji. He was also there in the seva of Srinath Ji. And of course, Surdas Ji's seva was singing padas. And we know Surdas Ji had that inner vision, and he used to sing padas of leelas that the Lord showed him actual leelas inside his heart. One day, Krishna Das also felt like singing padas and pleasing Srinath Ji. So he sat down in the evening in front of Srinath Ji and he was singing some padas which he wrote himself. At that time, Surdas Ji entered and he heard the padas. Then he told Krishna Das, "You know, all the padas that you are singing have some bhav taken from my padas. They are not original. Why don't you try singing something original if you want to be called a kavi?" He was teasing him. So Krishna Das Ji tried a few more, but in each one Surdas pointed out that, "See, this bhav came from my pada, this bhav came from my pada." So Krishna Das Ji said, "Okay, I will write something original and come back tomorrow." He went back to his room, but he was very tired. No pada was coming to his mind. So he thought, let me wake up in the morning, my mind will be fresh, and then I can write a nice new original pada. And Srinath Ji was seeing all this. He loved Krishna Das. That night, when Krishna Das was sleeping, Srinath Ji came and quietly left one pada that he himself had written and put it under the pillow of Krishna Das. In the morning, when Krishnadas saw the pada and he read it, he was overjoyed. It was so beautiful, so beautiful. Of course, it was written by the Lord himself. And he went running to Surdas Ji and said, "Come, I will now sing the pada that I told you I will bring a pada." He sang it. He sang it and Surdas Ji went into samadhi. It was so beautiful. The pada is describing how a beautiful Kanhaiya looks when he comes back from grazing the cows in the evening. The dust on his face, his curly hair, yellow pitambar, his bansuri, blue-colored Krishna surrounded by cows, thousands and thousands of cows. It is said that up to today, daily that pada is still sung in front of Srinath Ji. So Surdas Ji heard the pada and he went into samadhi, and when he came out of samadhi, he said, "Krishnadas, who wrote this pada? You could not have written it. Even your father could not have written it." So Krishnadas told him the truth. And Surdas Ji root gaye. That why the Lord had to help him. This was like a bet between two devotees. Why the Lord had to take sides. So he went to his room, which was 1 or 2 kilometers away from the temple, and he said, "I am not coming back anymore to do Pad Seva. I refuse." He didn't come back. 1 day, 2 days. Goswami sent somebody to look for him, ask him to come. He still didn't come. And Srinath Ji was missing him. He was missing him. Srinath Ji himself went to the kutia of Surdas Ji and said, "Baba, why are you not coming? I don't feel like waking up in the morning if I don't hear your pada." And Surdas Ji said, "But why did you take sides?" And the Lord, He's so sweet, so humble. He said, "Baba, bhool ho gayi. Come back now. I'm missing your seva." And Surdas Ji was feeling ashamed. He was feeling so humble that, look, this is the Lord of the universe. And he has come to apologize to me. He went running back to do seva. This is how the Lord mercifully interacts with those who love Him. He gives back a lot more love than we can ever give Him. Let us keep listening to these kathas of devotees of the Lord, and as we hear them, our inner mind gets cleansed and purified, and we too can start loving the Lord on a much higher level. Thank you for listening. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.